the 8th. These are the charts of the day. Interesting day in Wall Street, and a nice comeback at the end of the day. Market is relentless, but very vulnerable, so be careful. Nevertheless, we're seeing day and swing trades all over the place. Here's a possible new swing. ACHR, which has come out of a long downtrend, has taken it from 7 down to 3, has popped back near the 5 range, and now today had an inside day after popping. But technicals held up well. I think it extends. I'm now looking for a move to test 5.5, 3/4, and then 6.85.9. 7. Sorry. AMDL with AMD running the 2 times ETF is breaking out. Today's volume of 4.3 million, solid enough to say we're on our way, I think, to 23. ANVS popped 3 days ago, pulled back, and resumed its advance Friday. Today, a follow-through day, and pushing up towards that 21-23 zone where the next target lies. GDS broke out a couple days ago, had inside day yesterday or Friday. Today had a nice resumption of the trend, moving from 1073 to 12, 1186, last up 103. You can see the stock has, if it gets to this zone, where does resist? 14 and 15.5 targets. ICU extending its recent rally off the low of around 3.5. It's now nearly almost quadrupled to get up to as high as 1182. There's some resistance just above here near 13 and then 15.5. IDYA with a big day today based on positive drug news, exploded for 541, a 16% gain. The breakaway gap took it out across moving averages, declining top signs, and right up against key resistance. The extension would be 46 and 48. INOD, tech trader swing on run and still going. Today broke out and popped $2 even, or 13 and 3%, 900,000. And not huge volume, but my angle of ascent says 22.3 is your target zone. IVP spiked on big volume, 73.5 million shares, up 129%. There might be some extent that follow through here, looking for 5.25.5. NNE continues to pop. It went 1, 2, 3, 4 wedge form that broke out and then backed off. There's some positive legislation out there, I believe. Watch this one carefully because over 37.5, this could be in the mid to high 40s, if not low to mid 50s or more. Keep an eye on that, baby. PLSE, also with some FDA news today, exploded under a new medical device FDA approval, and now I'm looking for an extension to 19. If PLTR also broke out, but finally took out the March high, and the rising channel tells me this could be a stock in the low 30s. RIVN popped its wedge up. It's been forming for about a week. It spiked up about 5%. Let's see if it has an extension on this. If it gets to 16.5, it targets 19. SMR making another new high today and extending another $1.48 at 12%. If it gets through this line, it looks like it wants to. We may be looking at high teens. ZAPP exploded on a mere 125 million shares. It went vertical from 4 and change to 13 and change, more than tripling today alone. There may be an extension on this one into the mid-teens. We'll see. And that's it for tonight. You guys have a great evening. And that's the charts of the day from Monday, the 8th of July. Sorry. Good night, everybody.